Hello and welcome to a Mangley Town unboxing. Another one of my Class 43 HST sets. This time it's the East Midlands trains, and that's Hornby R2948. This does tend to be one of the harder ones to find, as it's one of the older ones, and obviously slightly different box design as well. But again, this is one of my favourite liveries. And we have Power Car 43055. Still new enough that it's got the opening doors, but I just like the mix of nice bright colours. And again, varying different top details over the years. And that's certainly going to look a nice livery on the track with the coaches as well. And then we have the dummy unit 43048. And this one's quite weird because it is the dummy unit that is named. Well, that's another quick look at one of my Class 43s, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.